Hey friends, so today I got a butcher block kind of countertop here. Trying to restore it. It's got kind of a really sticky on top, so you couldn't really even clean it without the rag bunching up. So I had a bunch of buildup on here. So I have some 80 grit sandpaper here, and we're just kind of going over it. And you want to kind of go with the grain. You do it. Alright, so let's get a close-up of this. You got just a bunch of just crud built up on here. It's like, just, I'm not even sure, just buildup of chemicals and whatnot over time on top of that. So it kind of clogs the sandpaper pretty quick. So then I gotta scrape it off with a knife or something and then vacuum it and do it again. So this is kind of slow going as it's clogging up the sandpaper. I could change it out each time. That'd be kind of tedious too. So I'm just scraping it off for now. But that's what we're doing. And then once we get this done with 80 grit, we're going to go down 120. All right, we went through the 80 grit sandpaper. We did 150 and finally 220. Got it all pretty soft now. At least you can rub your hand across it. It'll get all stuck on there. So we're going to take some of this Howard cutting board oil and put it on there. Get a soft, clean cloth. We're just going to kind of, well, maybe I should read the instructions first. Specialized wood, care for butcher blocks, apply using a clean cloth and apply in the direction of the wood grain. Let it soak in for at least 20 minutes. Wipe off any excess. To season new cutting surface, apply 3 or 4 coats before using. Okay, so rub with the grain, let it soak in for at least 20 minutes, wipe off excess. Of course, it's got a protective seal on there just in case. Alright, and this is food grade mineral oil enriched with vitamin E. Sounds good, huh? Put that on there. I don't know how much, but start off with a good amount, I guess. Okay, kind of rub this in with the grain. Okay. That looks pretty nice. Okay. That's looking a lot prettier now, huh? Around the edges here. Oh yeah, looking good. Okay, rub that in nicely. We should do a thicker coat or not. I don't know. Let it stand for 20 minutes. minutes and rub off the excess. So I wonder if I should do let it soak in for at least 20 minutes. So maybe we'll do a little bit kind of thick one, I guess. Why not? There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. We're going to let this sit for 20 minutes like it says. And rub off the excess. That looked quite a bit better than it did, I think, for sure. So far. And then we're gonna, once that's done, we're gonna hit it with some butcher block conditioner. All right, we'll be back. All right, now I'm using some of the Howard's butcher block conditioner. For best results, apply warm to allow deep penetration of wood. Use a clean cloth and apply in the direction of the wood grain. Let it soak for at least 20 minutes. Wipe off any excess and buff the wood to a nice sheen. All right, so let's do it here. Okay. This is like, what is this? Food grade mineral oil and natural waxes. It's quite a bit thicker than that. Just mineral oil. All right. Let's get our, we have just like a, sorry, we have a, it's like a t-shirt basically. We'll have to rub this in. Get that all nice and everywhere. Pretty. Make sure we get our edges here too. Here. All right, that's looking nice and rejuvenated now. Quite a bit better. Okay, this is gonna sit for 20 minutes. We're gonna come back. Wipe off excess. I think I'm going to do about 3 coats here, just for the fun of it. I want it nice and beautiful looking. And this really looks nice here. Look at that. All right, we can come back, wipe out off the excess after 20 minutes, and we'll do it all again. Okay. Thanks for watching. Show you the final product when we got it all done here. Okay, so we put 4 put, I think, 3 coats of the cutting board oil and then 4 coats of the butcher block conditioner. All right, let it sit 20 minutes or so, rub it off, put more in, rub it in. So there's 4 coats of that, and then just take a nice soft cloth and just kind of, after it's sat for a while, just kind of buff it all out. Go over it. And now, nice and smooth, and it's not all sticky like it was before. You don't want to clean your butcher block with the harsh chemicals and stuff. So mild soap and water should be plenty fine. You might have to recondition it, add some more conditioner about every 6 months or so to keep it nice and smooth. So, do a little walk around of that. Looks a lot better than it did. Definitely, you used to couldn't even run a cloth over to get all bunched up in there because it's so sticky. But now it's nice and smooth and soft and beautiful. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. Have a great day out there.